Hi everyone, today I'll be talking about this hybrid brushless nail drill. It is super easy, portable, and can be used in your desktop. So let's open it up and set it up. Once you open it up, you're going to get 3 separate little boxes, and over here you're also going to have the instruction manual as well. I definitely recommend taking a look at it when you're setting it up. It is super easy to put together, and you're going to get so many different items. So let me show you what is inside these boxes. Alright you guys, so I got all the items and pieces out, so let's put it together. As you can see, you have this gorgeous base right here, and you just plug this right in here and push it down in place, and this is what it's going to look like. Now, you're also going to get this base for when you're doing your nails. You can rest the holder on it, and this is what it looks like. So this connects here at the top to the motor just by pressing it down into there, and then look at how long and how stretched out you can have this. So it's definitely easy if you're doing your feet, if you're doing your nails, to stretch them out and get as far as you need to from the actual machine. And I love that you can also place this right here on the side when you're done, so it can rest there. You're also going to get a charger, of course, and all the nail bits. Now they have so many different ones for different things, and they also bring these nail files up here that attached to this one. So let's put it to the test. Alright, if you're looking to swap out the attachment here at the top, it is super easy. As you can see, you have the lock and the unlock. All you gotta do is twist it around and pull it out. It is truly that simple. And then you place your nail bit in there and you lock it in place. Now let's turn it on. As you can see, this button is for pause and play, and you can regulate how fast or how slow you want it to go. There we go, it's already spinning, and then you can just click to pause it and click to play it again. It is super simple to turn on and turn off, and it also has this button right here that is the F/R, which changes direction, whether it's forward or in reverse, so you know that as well. And then it's super easy to just get rid of any cuticles, and check this out, it doesn't hurt at all. You can put it on your hands guilt-free, that you can get rid of all your cuticles from home and make your nails super healthy, shiny, and clean. I absolutely adore this product. It is definitely one of my most favorite things to do at home, and you don't even have to go to the nail salon. I absolutely love getting gel on my nails, and removing it can be such a hassle, but this makes it super easy. And then again, you also have this rest right here, which you can use when you're doing your nails at a table, and I definitely recommend this product. It is super useful and helps me keep my nails clean, healthy, shiny, and growing. So check this out on Amazon. It is definitely a must-have for me.